Sugar Mountain. All right, getting started here at Sugar Mountain. Just tried on the boots and get the skis.
Let's go skiing!
Yeah. So just getting the pole. Looks good. And the fun begins. Woohoo! Sugar Mountain. We just did our first practice run on greens. We're gonna do a few more.
Climbed it.
Yeah.
Football.
Gotta get warmed up before we get to those blues and to that black diamond.
No black diamond.
We don't ski enough to do the black diamond. One day we will, but. It is sunny, so it's deceptively cold right now. You would think it was like in the 40s or something, but it's actually 21 degrees Fahrenheit with a little wind chill, so a little colder. But I came prepared. I'm all warmed up, and I got something special. This is gonna be a game changer. My heated gloves, they are from this awesome company, Save Your Heat. And my first time owning a pair of heated gloves. I'm super excited to try them for the first time on this hill. I really like them. They're sleek, they're comfortable, and they're very easy to use. You just have to push this button, hold it down a couple seconds, and you'll see red light. That's actually the hottest setting. You're gonna get the shortest battery life, but it's still a few hours, so it's pretty good. If you tap it again, you'll see white. So that's less heat and longer battery life. And you have one more setting. If you hit it again, it's blue, and that's gonna be the longest. Let's do this. Woo! Woo! Shauna in the house. Yeah. My hands feel great. That was awesome. Let's do it again. Okay. We are taking a little break. We've had a good time so far. We did some greens to warm up, several greens, and then what, like one blue so far?
Yep, Danny fell twice.
I fell twice trying to do some cool GoPro content, but yeah. I fell. The fall probably looks cool though. We'll see. I'll show you in a minute. All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Sugar Mountain, baby.
Yes.
All right, Shauna. Say hi to the camera. It's on my chest.
Hi, let's do this.
Yeah. All right, we're about to do our last run here at Sugar Mountain.
Woo!
And we're at the top, at the summit, and we're gonna do the North Ridge, the switchback thing, and it's gonna be pretty awesome. Woo!
Yes.
All right, well, this is our second year in a row going to the Sugar Mountain for some skiing. We had fun, fell several times, but I lost my wallet. But this place is so great that somebody turned it in and they had it at the office for me. I'm so excited.
Woo.
But yeah, so happy ending to a happy day.
Awesome day skiing.
Yeah, come to Sugar Mountain.
Yes.
This looks so fun. It was just as hard as I thought it would be.
Guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, please like and subscribe. Check out some of my other videos, and we'll see you on the next adventure, guys. Cheers.